Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Violet and my service dog's name is Atlas. He is a 2-year-old golden retriever, and today in this video we're just going to be doing a rainy day in the life of a service dog. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to acknowledge and celebrate that we've made it to 1,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. Never thought I'd get here. The whole point of our channel is just to spread awareness about service dogs and the laws, and share our training and the journey of training your own service dog as a chronic illness person with disabilities and whatnot. So to say that we've gotten this far is just absolutely crazy. But I wanted to say that because of that, we are going to be doing a celebratory Q&A video. So I want you guys to leave your questions for that Q&A video here. And we're doing a celebratory Q&A just so you guys can get to know me and Atlas better, and well, our entire little family here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions that you want to leave for that video, it should be coming out soon. You can leave it here. We're also going to be leaving a little question box on our Instagram story. If you follow our Instagram, it's also at HelperPupAtlas as well. If you don't have a question yet, you can always come back to this video and leave the question down in the comment box below. Or we are actually going to also be leaving a little post on our community tab here on YouTube, and how you can reach that is through our profile page here, and you can just click on our profile picture and you can get to our profile that way here on YouTube, and go to the community tab, and we'll leave that up for you guys to leave your questions there as well. So yeah, we can't wait to answer your questions and get to know you guys better and have you guys get to know us better. And I'm just so floored and like speechless that we've made it to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to see where this channel goes. And I just love the fact that I'm making a little community here on YouTube full of other, service dog handlers and people who just want to learn about service dogs and create this non-judgmental kind of helpful community. Everyone who just wants to educate and, be nice and spread positivity. It means the world to me. And I do have some things planned for the next year, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, leave your questions for the Q&A below, and let's get into the video. So excited. Yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Bye.
good boy. All right, kid. All right. Reel it in. Yep. Reel it in there. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So we're gonna poke him up and then right in the shoulder right here. So we can hold him again just like we were. Alright. Let me get you focus for him. Atlas here. Ouch. Yeah, and have a big butt. That's it. Lay down. Back. Okay. Breathe it. He's crazy.
You're a good boy. You want this one? Here, you can have that one.
Yeah. Good boy.
That's it.
Good job.
Boy. All right, you guys are good. That is all.
Oh wow, that was quick.
Do y'all have a card on file you want us to use? You need to check out with the front.
I can give you a card now and then you can bring it to the front if you need it. You can do it here or we want. I just don't want to be hanging out in the lobby is my worry. So I wanted to hop in here and explain kind of what was going on. Atlas needed his annual vaccines that were due, and this was his first time at this vet. He's been to one vet his whole life pretty much, and this was a new place for both of us since we just moved states. So it was a little bit of a different experience, but I still let them know that he is a service dog and that I don't like waiting out in the lobby due to safety reasons. Just the potential of him getting attacked by another dog is just too great. So I always either ask them to call me, which is what they did, to let us know when they have a room ready for us, or they put us directly in a room. I don't like to sit out in the lobby with him, and that's how we've always done it. Or they do the vaccines outside. But yeah, I usually have him go between my legs, or I go ahead and bend down and, give him lots of kisses around his face while they're doing the vaccine just to distract him. He's usually always done really, really well, and he knows that when he goes to the vet, it's one of the few times that he gets to interact with people, so he takes full advantage of that, as you could see, and he gets really excitable. So usually when he starts to get really excitable like that, my main goal is to always keep him under control and try and keep a calm mindset with him. So I usually back off and have him just do some basic cues just to get him back into that listening mindset. So like sitting and laying down. And then we go ahead and continue on with our vet appointment. And I had him go between my legs just because it was easiest for me to do that at the time, just because I didn't feel well enough to really bend down with him, since I had already been down once whenever they were taking the temp check. And then after the vet visit, once we got outside and I let him do a decompression sniff, I went ahead and wiped him down completely with disinfectant wipes, because there is a mysterious dog illness going around in the United States, and I wanted to protect him from that. And this was before it really started to become well known. I only really knew about it because of social media, but just for extra precautions, I went ahead and wiped him down. And just for context, this was like a couple weeks, maybe beginning of November, a couple weeks before Thanksgiving. So yeah, we have since made some new changes, and I will do a video about that soon, about how I'm keeping him safe and a decision that I've made for his safety, because his safety is my top priority. And then afterwards we went home, just hung out for a while, got some packages, some ADA cards, and his ear wipes, and I went ahead and cleaned out his ears, and we just kind of relaxed a little bit before running an errand. look. Come, finish. Heel. And this is where things kind of started going downhill for this outing for us. We were coming out of an aisle and Atlas almost got hit by a cart. And then immediately after this, just my anxiety started spiraling and Walmart started to get really, really busy. And I just started to feel really overstimulated and pretty much like I was gonna panic the rest of the time. So we were just trying to quickly get out of there, essentially. Yeah, I just want to kind of pop in and kind of narrate what was going on at this point because we both were frustrated. Not only does he almost get hit by a cart once, he gets hit by a cart almost twice. He doesn't get hit by it, but he almost does, narrowly, just because people really weren't paying attention to what they were doing for some reason this day. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if anybody else experiences this, but it's like the public all agrees to act a certain way one day, and they all just kind of act aloof. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just something that I've kind of noticed, especially when having a service dog. At this point, I just stop recording for his safety so I can focus on him not getting hit by people who are just not paying attention, and I don't continue recording until we get to checkout. So that's what you'll see right about here. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, it was just a little day in the life of a service dog on a rainy day. I know it doesn't seem like much, but yeah, I hope it was kind of interesting seeing him go to the vet and whatnot. So, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.